We've all experienced frustration when trying to use a new product. Whether it's a software program, a kitchen gadget, or even a fitness device, the initial excitement can quickly turn into disappointment and confusion. However, it's important to remember that overcoming challenges is possible, and success can be achieved with the right mindset and approach. In this article, we will explore the journey of one product user who faced numerous obstacles but ultimately triumphed over them. By learning from their experience, you too can navigate your own challenges and achieve success. Understanding your reader's problem. Imagine being excited about purchasing a new product that promises to simplify your life or enhance your skills. You eagerly unwrap it, read through the instructions with anticipation, only to realize that using the product is far more complicated than expected. This frustration sets in as you struggle to make sense of confusing features or unclear guidelines. Emotional objectives. Empathy. We understand how frustrating it feels when something doesn't work as expected. Relatability. Many people have faced similar challenges with products they've purchased. Encouragement. There is hope for overcoming these obstacles and achieving success. Unique rationale. What readers will get out of this article? By sharing the journey of one individual who encountered various difficulties while using a particular product, this article aims to provide readers with valuable insights on how they can overcome similar challenges in their own lives. Through practical tips and strategies derived from real-life experiences, readers will gain confidence in their ability to tackle any obstacle they may encounter while using different products. How it all began. Setting up expectations. Our protagonist was thrilled when they received an advanced home security system featuring state-of-the-art technology designed for optimal protection against intruders. The promise of enhanced safety at home seemed within reach. However, the initial excitement quickly turned into frustration when they realized that the setup process was far from intuitive. Point 1. The initial frustration. The first obstacle our protagonist faced was understanding the installation instructions provided with the security system. The lack of clarity and technical jargon made it difficult for them to set up the device correctly. This frustration is relatable to anyone who has ever struggled with complex product manuals or user guides. Transition. Despite these challenges, our protagonist refused to give up and sought alternative solutions. Point 2. Seeking help and alternative resources. Realizing that they needed additional assistance, our protagonist reached out to customer support for guidance. However, due to long wait times and limited availability, this option proved less helpful than expected. Undeterred, they turned to online forums and communities dedicated to discussing similar products. Transition. It was through these online resources that our protagonist discovered a wealth of information and advice from experienced users facing similar challenges. Point 3. Learning from others' experiences. By actively engaging in discussions on these platforms, our protagonist learned valuable tips and tricks shared by others who had successfully overcome similar obstacles while setting up their home security systems. They also discovered useful video tutorials created by fellow users who walked them through each step of the installation process in a clear and concise manner. Transition. Armed with newfound knowledge, our protagonist approached the setup process once again, but this time with renewed confidence. Conclusion. Through perseverance, seeking alternative resources, learning from others' experiences, and utilizing practical tips gained along the way, our determined product user overcame numerous challenges during their journey towards successful usage of their home security system. By following in their footsteps, refusing to be defeated by initial frustrations, you too can conquer any obstacles you encounter while using different products in your own life. Remember that success is possible if you approach problems with resilience and seek out helpful resources available both offline and online. With these strategies, you can transform frustration into triumph and achieve the desired outcomes from the products you use.